Hadian ke jingja ka basngosi hasnong tangling ribhoi district ka balashimno ya ke jing em jong laingut ki habret na ke jing shabat ha ka boarding electric MLA Umroi constituency ba daman bat lamare menta ka sngi ulalet benyaslok bat penpa ya ke jing ngolam sha ka long yeng ka balamat ya ke te ke jingja ka bakthang basngosi tam hadian ke jing wan ngolam MLA ringkat badu MDC barim ke Umroi constituency ba rangkat sai kharbuki klalet benyakendo ya ki Ophisar Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited ha yam banyakran markmat halo kate ki jingja bat banwat ikidaw ki balawanra ya ki jingdu no jingite ki laingut ki hebren habakran bat ki Ophisar uba daman bat lamare ulapan pawi ki jing songkya ka bajur bat takraiñ ya katanat MLA halor ke jing bomshim kia ya ke jing ujor ula ong bakat kum ke jing yo jing tip jong u urang ba shnong ko tangling ula dab ban pentip lupa syakatanat MLA shaphang ke jing ma jing ki signer boarding ha ke te shnong henry shamla dan kenu ke sin jam ka bakloi ban shim kia ya ke te ke jing ujor MLA ula ong balada katanat kalale AA ha ka por ka babiang ke te ke jing ja ka basosi kan jia satya shu uba lamare ula ong baki Ophisar sarkar kim day ban ap haduh bakan dan ke jingja ka bashim mynsiem briew shuwa bakin shim khia ya kanu ka kam bat haba dan kanu ke jing ujor khamtam ka be day bat ke jing shngan jing kinong shnong ki day ban le mardor bat ban penslam la ka day ka baklam jing tho namar kum ki Ophisar kim day ban ap haduh ban yo jing tho ban e pat ya ke jing shngan ki pat ba.
Here's my E actually. So, you didn't came no? No, we have just gone into the map. नहीं सर आप आया बैठा है तो बैठा निकल जाएगा तो भूखा नहीं हो जाएगा सर कोई बात नहीं. Actually we are involved with the case now right from the beginning morning. So because of that like we didn't get time. We had to arrange all those things. बहुत बुरा हुआ है. हाँ. बहुत बुरा हुआ है. Why we have come here also because there was no other option. Just no come here. Yes sir. Yes, sir. I'm the MLA and he's a former MDC of तो अभी उसके लिए तो कुछ करने पड़ेगा ठीक करने पड़ेगा नहीं होगा
हम यो कंप्लेन
लाया कंप्लेन verbally lawan orang sepi tambah kata jing thol klem air kata aktif ngalang kali kat kini ini ngakan mana kali ha pek mau saya manong pi ko yang ba kumin je kam kum de sudah banjam ta kanno kulo ko bawal kabalong ko barit na ka bahe na pi di ban simek sona toy tapi dari wa kirkian ni department kinum yang itu kinum
yang betul kalau mendaki habana jangan tu betul
utkut wayar betul
utkut wayar ni kahap dia kahap kasih tinggi lah berpendik yang kita hap dah
nakaliam local headman jo tangata jo wan approach yes please arrange water for sir wan approach pri verbally approach harbi dei bag usana electric belajar de kun isa kan dia dan nakaliam jo pri ngam tip kade nakala ko basu hawan ra da jingtho ngasih ubat pengkumnik dah baburon di age itu baik orang ada yes take action no akan right akan por ke babel ngam tharai begini gila ngol ki begini ya dia kan kalau pergi kalau jinglong negligent ya ke duty joki pun ke MCL kena soye malah dia sim clear marpat ki men sembri umlok bani leka dan tai sai nari satang little bit satang benda dia bala don ba complain la duat complain wat ukna le duat complain wat ukna le PD ban respond
kalau mereka buat kritik ini saya yang elemen tu dia menunjukkan pada report ini
en kila report
kira ni toyo dak se
en ilawan lang doktor itu di doktor Maulong di doktor Maulong bu local headman ilawan yang kedua itu
saya ni lawan teman-teman belum seleksi dah
dia nanti buat kami 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 untuk buat kami ingin lakukan dia. Mula kalau boleh beli menewang tu, mula boleh kerja kumne. Kerja kumne nak lagi nak sosnau ki orang nak kerja kom sim kaya jom MLA. Lada MLA kerja kaya kini menyak kini kita lagi. Nampak from time to time kita a lot complaints from MLA. Tapi beberapa beli ki rural headman ngimdai tan banyak prosedur orang ajin tahu. Barbali betul penting tu day ban pade Dari than berapa ni kuat officially dari jing. Dia tu umroi ba.
Kalau pandai, dia ubah umur ada kata kecil tip on. Kalau kalau pandai pat katu kecil jopi katu dikiara. Kata kebriew. Because he's saying that now he hasn't got any information about this. How come? Yeah, more than 10 times they came. The headman have come here to complain regarding this. How come? Maybe
Let me find out.
no, maybe the JE is not interested at all. Just come here.
Sir,
and go.
Jane is a lady who is like on contractual actually. On contractual. Lady. On contractual. But from her, this one appearance also doesn't seem that like she will talk in a rough way or she will not do anything. Doesn't look like that.
See, you-
Very sober and
To be this thing, since you're a senior most officer in this office, I want all this thing to, from now onwards, from now onwards, from this thing, from today onwards, they shouldn't interact with the people rudely.
Yeah,
Lots of
that's-
things.
yeah.
Regarding him also complaint has come, don't mind. Regarding him also complaint have come, and regarding him also, SDO. He's the SDO of that area, na?
Yeah.
Regarding him also lot of complaint. I'll be very frank in front of you, I'll speak openly. Lots of complaint have come. Then from now onwards, to please, whenever the people will come here, please accept them and please respond to them. The only thing I don't want anything from you. I don't have anything to take or give from you. I only want work and cooperation with the people. If you cooperate with them, they will automatically cooperate with you. Whether it's a small thing or bad thing, whether it's a small thing or a big thing, please take action on that particular time itself, if it's possible. That's my order as an MLA from here. Because जो भी क्या होता है, whatever happened there, whether it's that case or any whatever case that, the people always come to me only, MLA. So that is my humble request to you, Mr. Datta.
No, we'll take.
You got the name?
We have got the name, sir, but this is not clearly defined as nominee, no.
Okay.
He has mentioned as that they are like parents, but exact nominee has to be certified because they will be checked, no.
Okay, you don't worry about that. I think so. Today he won't be free. The headman won't be free today because
Yes,
there's three people that are the same village.
Yes.
No. So tomorrow is a holiday.
Monday. No, sir. Monday or Monday.
Yeah.
But it has to be in the letterhead where he certify that they are the nominee.
We'll do one thing. Let him come. Maybe he won't be fluent in speaking with you because by English or Hindi, na?
Yeah,
He will speak to us.
Yes.
Sabat time ni. Baik saya ni orang sungai tu mau. Kita mana ni ban main ni ban torture ni wan kuat kam. Hero putre kam ha kipai baru pun. Begini super pi. Mau kata dari saya mana ni ban torture ni. Mau ngiral kam ni ka kumni baru barister job hero ngiral kam ni ka teamwork tu. Kadang ka teamwork, jangan kam ka yak. Kadang ka teamwork tak pun posisi. Please, kata mau tell me one thing.
Yes.
I'll send him on Monday.
Yeah.
Then maybe he'll come to you here.
Yeah.
Then the SDO money will
Yes.
will brief him what to do.
No.
He brief you come and talk. Now we can let you know. Can let it compulsion. And I just wanted to ask you, what kind of compensation is there? Like what type of compensation? Financially or financially? Like how much? Like I just want to distinguish.
Sir, actually, in terms of fatal, it is 1.5 lakhs. But sir, I think our CMD was thinking that like we will talk with the CM today because this is a very like children.
Children.
If we can do something extra also, he was telling me that give me the report first. I'll go to the report, then I will see what can be done.
See, कोई बात नहीं. Regarding this, you will be regarding this. I won't give only to you.
Yes.
Me and you will be the main responsible.
Correct, sir. Sir, if you wait from you, sir, also you have to push.
I'll push.
We are abide by the SKCR this one, no rules. So you, sir, what you can do from your level to from our level, we cannot do.
No, I'll speak to the high command. They'll do something. I'll
Yes, yes.
From which this to give, usually they'll increase a little bit more.
Yes, yes. If they can do
Because
that.
this that case is not. It's unfortunate that actually of tool. It's not that they are sick or something.
Yes,
It's
yes.
unfortunate that. No, it's an accident, injury death. ठीक है.
Even for our staff, sir, 1.5 will give. What's the problem? No.
ठीक है.
1.5 lakhs for one.